Okay, I'm not sure what this tree is. It's been down about 2 years, and it's right here at the edge of the yard. So it is about 24 inches. This tree, though, that's behind it, that I didn't even realize was sitting back here, I know for a fact it's a white oak, and it looks like it's about probably 16 inches diameter, which is like my favorite diameter log to cut up on the sawmill. So let's get these out of here and get them staged over by the mill, and we'll see what's going on. So I'm not positive, but that very well might be red oak. I never looked at it when it had leaves on it still, so looks like it's got a nice grain to it. Well, let's get a 10-foot chunk of it and see what we got. Okay, I think what I've been cutting up is red oak. I'm not positive. When I get on the mill and start slicing it, I'll be able to tell for sure. These don't have any leaves on them. Without the leaves, I'm not an expert. I'm not an expert with the leaves, but I do better. Anyway, I think this is red oak. It might be some of that smooth bark hickory that we have a lot of around here. But this log that I didn't even know was back here, I know for a fact that that is white oak. And that's going to be very valuable for us. So I'm going to cut that up. Looks like I can probably only get one good cant out of it because I do them in 10 foot. Maybe I can get a second one. But this is going to be really nice. This area is known for its white oak. In fact, the USS Constitution is rebuilt and maintained from white oak to come from less than 5 miles from here. So we're going to use this one in our house. So we ended up getting 2 10-foot sections of Pignut Hickory and 1 10-foot white oak. So subscribe to see us cut these up on the mill. They're next. Have a good one, y'all.